In this particular video, we are going to understand about one of the critical aspect which is widely used across and across dashboards or across presentations within the Excel, across financial modeling in finances, creating a drop down. And this is very critical aspect in the sense that when you are presenting a data, it has to be a minimalistic data, and that can be achieved by creating a drop down, and it's not that difficult. It is going to be very easy. It's just that one you needs to do a slight practice uh, to be a competent in this particular using this particular functionality within the Excel. So how do we do that? So we have given a data set over here which is a state of United States, and the full form of each of them. Now this can be anything. It can be script and the name of the company. It can be anything. Uh, and we have to create a drop down for that. So creating a drop down is pretty simple. Over the top, in the Excel sheet, you will see all this options: home, insert, page, layout, formulas, data. So in this, you go to this data tab. Within that, you have to search for this data tools. Data tools, within that you will see this particular symbol or a particular icon. If you click that, you will find something called as data validation. So you click on data validation, you click on the first tab, which is this settings over here, and you will have that particular drop down through which you have to click on the list. Okay, so where you will go? So you will go to home button, then or on the main ribbon, data. Within that, data tools. Within that, data validation. Within that, you go to settings and then the list. So these are the 5 tabs which you need to remember: settings, and that within allow, data validation or list. So you go to data tab, you go to data tools, you go to data validation, you go to settings, which is the first window, and then click on allow and then click on list. As in when you click on list, the new option which opens up, which is the source. Source as in what is the source which the Excel needs to present in that particular drop down. So here my source is going to be the states which are from here till here. So from C5 to C6, which is Control Shift downward arrow, you press, it will select the entire data set and you click OK, and voila, you will have the state list as an entire thing, and then you can pick and choose, and then you can do a lot of other functionalities. This is just to create a list. Based on this list, you can do anything, any other functionalities which we will explain or which we'll understand in some of the other videos, but this video is pertaining only to creating a drop down. So that's pretty much about it. If you have any spaces, so let's change my source from C5 to C16 and then beyond up till C20. So when I click that and when I click OK, it also adds the spaces because I included space as a part of my selection. So that is one of the disadvantage of this list menu, that it does not exclude space, it still includes space. And another problem with this particular drop down functionality per se is if this is not an alphabetical order. So let's try and do this thing. Let me just change the orders, and then let's try to create a list. So this is list number 2, and if you create a list using this new data set, which is from year till year, you will see it starts from KS. So this is very important, that first it takes the spaces, in second by default it does not arrange into alphabetical or ascending or descending order. That needs to be done. So the data cleansing needs to be on the R hand. So that's why we have rearranged everything in the ascending order from A to Z order, and then created a data list or the list in the Excel. So this video pretty much uh, teaches you around the data list and some of the limitations of the data list. So hope you have liked this video. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. You will find a lot of other videos and we will be coming up with a lot more in future as well. If you have liked this video, then provide your comment which other video you would like us to create, record on Excel, and share this video. Thank you so much.